I have drawn a floor plan for a 1,000 square foot dog trot cabin with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. A dog trot home has 2 separate living areas with a breezeway running through the center of the house, which is all under the same roof. A disclaimer: I'm not an architect, not a dress person, and not a professional. All the floor plans used in this video are for illustrative and informational purposes only. You are welcome to use any of the floor plan ideas shown in this video. I'm in no way responsible if you decide to use one of the floor plans. Please seek professional services with your floor plan. Here is the floor plan. The floor plan reversed. A dollhouse floor plan. Here is an animated walkthrough of the inside of the cabin. The front screen door opens directly into a covered breezeway. On the right side is the main entrance into the house, which houses the living, kitchen, and dining in a large open area. A small powder room. A desk area that can accommodate 2 computer stations. This plan features a built-in electric fireplace or plenty of room for a wood-burning stove. There's space above the powder room for a conventional air conditioning and heating system and a water heater. Walking across the breezeway to another living area that houses 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry closet. Bedroom 3. The laundry area, the hall bathroom, bedroom 2, the master bedroom, the master bathroom, there's space above the bedroom closets for a conventional air conditioning and heating system and a water heater. Here are some more pictures of the Dog Trot Cabin. Thanks for watching. I will be posting more floor plan videos in the future, so if you're interested, please subscribe.